Good morning and welcome to my day in the life of a Kaitaki Rangatahi at Māori land. Oh, here's my food chick, come check it. And I drive in from Wellington every day, and today we had Dr. Hinemoa Elder coming in to talk about her new book. It was very epic, kōrero. A stunning group of people came to this, eh? Anyways, we then went into Reo Māori class with Te Kina, Te Kiwa. I chose a kākano for my topic. We're going over Nāwai and Māwais. It's very new information for my brain. Here we have Jamie taking care of the examples. I had lunch with my mates. I was just walking down the street, bumped into them at the bakery. And into the kaupapa of it all. Here's our pīreres. They're doing a listening exercise. We're showing them various soundscapes and then they're to make some characters from it.
I think of us because when we always want food from Mizumarino.
We sound like that.
We always like
because we always yapping in the cutting.
Now the class is over. Into the cleanups. So on dishes. I'm on the food collection. Celebratory celebration after a mean day. Locking that up. Lock it up. Locked. This marawa was mean to drive home with. Yeah, anyways, got myself to home. Yeah. Thank you for joining my day in the life. Catch you on the next one.